Huh? No. What? No, I'm not telling you to be quiet. No, I'm not telling you a secret. Today, I'm going to be telling you and you about the SH sound. Hi everybody, how are you today? And Grandma Poss is going to say hi too. So today we're here to be telling you, as I said before, about the SH sound. Shh. So I'm going to be teaching now. Do you want to stay and do some learning, or do you want to go off and have a little sleep because it's the daytime? What? You want to have a little sleep? Okay then. You go off to bed. When we have the SH sound, we're taking the S and the H and putting them together, but we don't use the SH sound. This sound is called a consonant digraph. When two consonant sounds are put together to make one sound. But this sound is sh, sh. It's not s and h put together. Can you think of any sh words? I can't hear anything. Okay, well, let's have a practice together. Here we go. Let's start with the SH at the beginning of the words. Are you ready? Sh, ip, ship, sh, op, shop, sh, ed, shed, sh, at, shut, sh, l, shell. What about some words ending with the sh sound? Do you know any? F, ish, fish. Ash, rush. Ash, cash. And ish, dish. Don't forget, when you're making the SH sound, you have to round your lips a little bit, and it's like you're telling someone to be quiet. Shh, shh. So put your lips up to your finger. Shh, shh. How about, I've got a little thing for you to try out for yourself, to practice. So, listen to me. She sells seashells by the seashore. One more time. She sells seashells by the seashore. Have a practice and see how you go. So that's it for today. Bye for now.